ngize nendaba allegedly yazi ngilokhu ngilandela ama comment alomuntu lo and ngiyazi uhlale khona whenever I post a video uzoba khona, so I don't block people like him. Kufuna bayeme nje until because okokuqala nje i-ANC with our money, because they've got this notion ukuthi izinto ezenziwa i-ANC mhlawumbe izenza ngemali yayo. ANC izinto izenza ngemali yethu, but iyahluleka ukwenzela thina abantu abamnyama ngemali yethu. Yet you guys, you expect a party that is not in power, that does not have money, ukuthi kube khona into ezokwenza benzela abantu a 1-year-old party. ANC more than 100 years, but iyahluleka ukwenzela abantu ngemali yabo. Ngikutshele ke bhuti, i-MK ngoba wena uthi ayikho into ekhulunywa uZuma nge-future ye-country, ngifuna ukukutshela i-MK bhuti ziningi izinto ezibalile, including ukushintshwa kwe-constitution ukuthi ifavor umuntu omnyama, but when you ignore that because why? You are happy right now. I-MK ikhuluma ngokuthi abantu abamnyama uma kushintshwa i-constitution bazoba ne-share kumnotho walelizwe. Uma kushintshwa i-constitution bazoba ne-share kumnotho walelizwe. Even umhlaba, amakhosi azothola ukuthi labantu laba nje abasebenza emhlabeni wamakhosi kuzomela barent. And ukurenta kusho ukuthi amakhosi will benefit, so the people will benefit. But you ignore that because most of the things as show MK, yes, izinto ezayifumulethwe i-ANC, but it never implemented anything. Why? Because you guys be-ANC nisile, you use people for ukuthi nina nizophumelela. I-ANC yenze ngathi imele ilento eyisho uJulius ukuthi if kuukuthi abantu babone ngathi akekho umuntu obamele bazoba nale unled revolution, because kuzobe manje nina niyafana ne-EFF nimela abantu. Angikhulumi nge-EFF, ningizwe kahle ninabantu be-EFF enithanda ukukhuluma, angikhulumi ngayo, ngiyalinganisa. Niyenze ngathi nimela abantu knowing very well ukuthi nina nivikela abantu ababesicindezele. So lento ozoyikhuluma la umsuzo lo ngayalandela ama comment akho, ngiyaye ngizibuze ngempela ukuthi umqondo womuntu okhuluma kanje owakhe ngempela independently, because umqondo womuntu o-independent osebenzayo independently awubi kanje. Uyabona, for instance, uyabona i-DA is not scared to talk about izinto ezithinta abelungu. I-DA ayisabi. Ngisho AfriForum, they will come and display ama flag akudala. They are not scared. It's what they believe in. They don't just talk, they also act. ETA is not scared to say yona ayihambisani ne-minimum wage. ETA is not scared to do anything that actually shows ukuthi bazimele bona, bakhuluma ngabo, abanandaba nawe zomuntu omnyama. They are not scared to do that, but ANC inamahloni yokuphumela obala and show ukuthi bona balwela umuntu omnyama. They will always include njalo. And kuleyo inclusion ya everyone, bona they know exactly ukuthi no, you as a black person, you are not part of it. But in your eyes, they want to act as if you are part of it. But they know exactly ukuthi abalweli wena ANC. ANC ayilweli thina. Whether wena uyavuma or awuvuma, I don't care. Wena vele you are benefiting. That's why you'll always come and defend ANC. But ANC is not doing anything right for abantu. Izinto esizilwela thina ngempela. Angitsheli mina ngokuclean umgwaqo nani, I can do that. I need the ANC to do that. Can mobilize people to go and clean isiganga. Can mobilize the people who basize. There are people who even help people abashoda ngamanzi. So that one you can always find solutions, but real problems that we are facing as black people, ANC is nowhere to be seen. Abantu abafuna ukuvula amabhizinisi that will compete lapha phezulu lamabhizinisi abantu abamhlophe, ANC is nowhere to be seen. There's only a select few that are sponsored to to actually display this thing yokuthi ngathi abantu abamnyama bayavunyelwa. But those people who can even now mention them, you can list them, it's just a few. So wena don't come here and act smart. Wazi kahle ukuthi ANC yakho is not for blacks. Yet DA is for whites. Ayikufihli lokho. Ngiye ngizibuze mangibona abantu abamnyama baku DA ukuthi uma ngabe DA besupport abantu aba nokudisplaya iflag le-apartheid, what does it say to them? Like kuthini ukuthi leli flag lalisicindezele wena usupporta abantu abasahambisana nalo? Kuningi engakubala okwenziwa i-DA okuphikisana nathi, but there are black people who are there. Bona baba kuphi ngaleso sikhathi i-DA ikhuluma ngalezo zinto? But they are not scared to talk about those things, and they actually act on it. Unlike the ANC. The ANC can talk. That's all they do. Lip service. When it comes to implementation, dololo. So nisiyeke nje bafethu ukuthi sabaleka asibalekanga, sashiya. Hayi ukuthi sibalekile, sishile ngoba izinto esasicabanga ukuthi esasihehwe yizo. Thina sazi ukuthi sasilwela umhlaba. We want to share umhlaba nalabantu abawusebenza umhlaba. Imagine everything that is ours, we want a share of that. Sonke, hayi MK. Lento elelo uzuma kalweli thina as MK members, ulela everyone. So kuweke kube ngathi mhlambe ngoba you don't support uMsholozi, then you come here and lie uthi uMsholozi akaza akhulume ngefuture wara wena nje unenkinga, usenenkinga. Inzondo kodwa ngiye understand inzondo is over la ku